Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. To achieve this neck design, I'm going to be dividing this scarf into two equal halves. I folded into two, as you can see, and then I will cut open the folded part, giving us two pieces. So this part that I'm cutting is going to be the hem of the dress, while the other part with the fancy design is going to form the neckline. So after cutting that into two, I place them like so. This is the right side of the fabric facing up. So I'm going to get the middle. I measured all the way across like so, and then I will get half of that, which is going to be the midpoint. I'm using my chalk to make a mark, as you can see. So next, from that midpoint, I'm going to mark the shoulder measurement. So I placed half of the shoulder measurement on the midpoint, and then I marked on this side, beginning of the tip, and then I mark again the shoulder measurement on this opposite side. Next, from those points, I'm going to mark 4 inches outwards like so. Then I'll do the same thing on this side. From that shoulder point, I will mark extra 4 inches. That is the part we're going to be closing. The rest of the shoulder line is going to be left open. So I'm going to make the marks on the other piece as well, the piece that is on the down part. So next, I am going to be placing the two pieces on top of each other, matching those points, matching those marks we made. So I brought the other to the front, I placed it on top of each other, as you can see, and then I'm pinning in place for now. So next off, I'm going to repeat the same thing on this side, match those marks and then pin them. I'm sure you can see exactly how I placed them. So after pinning them in place, next I will take it to the sewing machine and sew from this point to this point, and then from this point here to this point. I just sew tightly, and then I will go on ahead to mark the rest of the dress, which is your basic butterfly. I already have a video on the channel on how to make a butterfly. I will link it down below. So I've marked it already, and I'm going to take it to the machine and go sew the neckline, the sides, and then hem the lower part, and I will show you what the finished look looks like. So here is it. The down part is hemmed nicely. I have sewn the sides. Like I said, I will link the video down below on how to do that. And here's the neckline. I've sewn it. The remaining part of it is open, as you can see. And that is it. How to achieve this neckline is very simple and easy. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.